Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best plastic colander strainer on the market, the OXO Good Grips 3-quart plastic colander in white. Whether you're rinsing vegetables, draining pasta, or washing fruit, this colander promises efficiency and ease, making it a must-have kitchen tool. Right off the bat, what stands out about this colander is its thoughtful design. The elongated drainage holes are crafted to allow fast water flow, so you don't have to wait around for excess water to drain. This efficient drainage feature is perfect for busy kitchens where time is of the essence. The colander's 3-quart capacity means it's the ideal size to handle everyday kitchen tasks without being bulky or cumbersome. Comfort is key when it comes to kitchen tools, and the OXO Good Grips colander excels here too. It features non-slip handles that ensure a secure and comfortable grip, even if your hands are wet or slippery. This means safer handling when dealing with hot pasta or heavy loads, preventing any accidents or spills. Another clever aspect is the contoured feet. These feet keep the colander stable and elevated inside the sink, which is important for maintaining balance, especially when you're straining heavier foods. The elevation also prevents water from pooling under the colander, so your food stays fresh and separated from the drained water. Size-wise, the colander is compact enough to fit comfortably in most sinks, with dimensions around 11 inches wide and just over 5 inches high. Its height and shape are optimized so that the water drains completely without accumulating at the bottom. This is a thoughtful feature that enhances its practical use in the kitchen. Material choice is plastic, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's flimsy. The construction is sturdy and durable enough to handle heavy food items. Plus, the smooth surface makes it incredibly easy to clean. You can simply pop it into the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance, which adds a lot of convenience to your kitchen routine. The classic white color and clean design ensure it blends seamlessly into any kitchen style. It's not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. The OXO Good Grips colander also boasts a lightweight design, making it easy to store and use without adding extra bulk to your kitchen tools. Overall, this colander strikes a great balance between size, usability, and design. It's a simple yet highly effective tool for everyday cooking needs. If you're looking for a reliable colander that's comfortable to use, drains quickly, stays stable in your sink, and is dishwasher safe, the OXO Good Grips 3-quart plastic colander is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a kitchen gadget that combines practicality and thoughtful design, this colander is worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.